today our topic is about noun. Do you have any idea what is noun? If you have any idea, that's great. So what is noun? Noun is a word that names something, either a person, place, or a thing. Let's remember that nouns are used in sentences to name persons, place, things, and events. Here are other nouns that are used frequently: fish, bird, sun, dog, cat, book, house, school, teacher, child, mother, father, sister, kuya, comb, ball pen, mirror, charger, shoes, ruler. So now, can you recognize nouns in sentences? Let's try it. I will give you examples. The sun shines every day. Can you tell me the noun of the sentence? Is it the everyday? Is it the shines or the sun? Very good. The sun is the noun of the sentence. Good job. Next, my mother works hard. Can you tell me the noun of the sentence? Is it the works? Is it the heart or the mother? Yes, very good. The noun of the sentence is the mother. Good job, kids. It was Dad's birthday. Dad's birthday is the noun of the sentence. We stayed in a hotel. The noun of the sentence is hotel. That's all for today, kids. I hope you've learned something new today. Thank you.